Solve Leetcode 2529 maximum count of positive integer and negative integer. So let's start. Given an array nums sorted in a non-decreasing order, return the maximum between the number of positive integers and number of negative integers. In other words, if the number of positive integers in a nums is positive and the number of negative integers is neg, then return the maximum of positive and negative. Like what he is asking. And note that we should ignore and treat 0 as a neither positive nor a negative. Like it's not positive number or negative number. Like if he gives a array, like we need to count how many negative numbers are there. Like 1, 2, 3, and how many positive numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So like we need to return the maximum of these two, positive and negative. So don't try to solve it yourself before watching this video. Like okay, first, what is the first thought that comes to your mind? As I told in the previous video, like we'll go solve the brute force approach first, and then we will optimize it, and then we eventually solve ending up the of the question. So my approach is I will go from first position to the last position and see whether if the element is greater than the zero, we will treat it as positive and count increase the count. If the number is negative number, we will store it in the C1 and we will increase the count. Initially I see C0 is the positive and C1 is the negative, and I iterated from 1 to len of nums. Len of nums means length of the array. And if nums of is greater than 0, C++, elif C++ if it is negative number. I will return the maximum of positive number and the negative number. And this is how we will solve the brute force approach. But the brute force approach always gives us the TLE error, which is not suitable for interviews. So let's start analyzing another ways to solve this problem. Like if we see the problem correctly, we will be seeing the sorted and non-decreasing order. And we will, if we go to the constraints, in the constraint he is not mentioning any 10 to the power of 6 and that kind of things stuff. So if he is not mentioning 10 to the power of 6, we should see in the question itself, like he is mentioned sorted, so we can use binary search here. Like you can think like how we can implement binary search here. He is asking count, and we are having negative numbers 0, negative numbers 0, zeros, and then positive numbers. Like note, the numbers can be repeated, and in the middle we may or may not have zeros, but at the end we will be having positive numbers or may not. Like even if we give only zeros also, it is a correct. So we need to think I thought first let's count number of number of negative numbers. Like how we can count, like if we found the last index of the negative number, if we then we will be getting the count of the negative numbers. How? Like here, if we see, if I find this -1 index, then I will be getting negative values, total negative values in the array. So -1, what is the index of the -1? Like 0, 1, 2. So if we return the I plus 1, I means index of the last negative integer in the array. So here it is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. There are 3 elements. So I found the, so either here I found the negative number first, then I will find the first positive number. If I find the first positive number, like how I get the total number of positive numbers in this array. Like the n is the total length of the array, right? So if we subtract from length of the array minus this index, the first index, we will be getting the total number of positive digits. Like if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this array, we have seven elements, right? If we what is this like element index? Like it's 6 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. Like 5 minus 7, we will be getting 2. That means we got the count of the positive integers, and eventually we will be returning the maximum of positive and negative integers.